my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSJ254. Man, you tune in for another one. As you can see here, this video jumping into another package. As you can tell by the title, because of Steve Davis, I bought this package. I seen him personally use it. I also seen him gift it, you know what I'm saying, to a friend of ours, Spray Weight Customs. So when I seen it, and you know, I've been going down this road fooling with the woodworking, etc., then I only felt it was right to go ahead and get it. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and open up and see what we got. I mean, I know, but I'm here to show y'all what it is that we have procured or acquired, or whatever word you want to use these days. So nothing else left in the box. It's going in the trash. So yeah, as you can see, it is the Jasper Model 200. Pretty much circle jig, people. Circle jig, cut the perfect circle. You know what I'm saying? Whenever you're trying to do it. So no matter what size it is, whether it's for the speaker box, console, whatever it is you're trying to cut it for, then you can cut it. No problem. No problem. Let's see what's inside the package. So it comes with the router circle guide, as you can see there. Let's see, it also comes with some instructions. Jasper 200 Max, perfect circles every time. And just so y'all know, this does attach. It attaches to a router. Just in case y'all ain't know. So, I honestly was thinking about buying a second router just for circles, but you know me, that's how I do, dog. I be extra like that. But yeah, as y'all know, let's see what else they put off in here. So pretty much things safety, always unplug your router when attaching a jig, how to use a scale, and then pretty much everything you need. And then they got a little thing on here, you say, you know, thank you so much for your purchase, you know what I'm saying, make you feel real appreciated. So here we are. Basically telling us, you know, reach out if we got a question, etc., etc., etc. They based out of Arizona. Even got video instructions on jaspertools.com. So, like I said, it pretty much self-explanatory if you ask me. I done seen my mans use it. Perfect circles every time, bro. I don't know what it is. I don't know what else to tell you. So, shout out to Steve. Steve would have never used this. Would have never gave it to Mr. Get In There. Not Mr. Get In There. Spray Weight Customs, man. I probably would have never knew about it. So, you are appreciated, sir. You are appreciated. Scale is calibrated to make cutouts using a 1/4 inch bit. Be sure routers unplugged, all that good stuff. So we will be putting this to work in the very near future. As you can see, it's not a little thin, flimsy piece. You know what I'm saying? It's a very rigid. You know what I'm saying? About a quarter. I would say about a about 1/4 inch thick, hard plastic. And like I said, you got all your little tools and stuff that you need to make sure that you're in the game and good to go. So I'm gonna go put this in a safe spot so you know we don't lose it before we get to cut any circles. So it's your boy LSRI254. Like I said, if you were going forward, looking, you know, maybe getting into the woodworking, or just need to cut some circles or some shit, want to build you a speaker box, whatever, console, etc., and you willing to put in that work, then, you know, put in that work, that time, that extra effort, and potentially spend some money, then check out this Jasper router circle jig CP200 Max. So till next time, it's your boy LSRI254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity or procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Don't.